Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Iran. I'm prepared Persian celery stew. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in a saute pan. I add the celery, the mint, and the parsley and saute. Look at all that greenery. Then I add some oil to a Dutch oven. Then I add the onion and saute. I add the lamb and the spices. I get the lamb nice and brown. Then I add the greenery. And cook it for a few minutes. Then I add the water. Bring to a boil. And have it simmer for about an hour. Then I add the lime juice and stir it in. And simmer for about another 10 minutes. Here's the finished stew. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for coming to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy the presentation. Have fun cooking.